Oh my god, Panic at the Disco, what's happening to XRP? Is it over? Why has it stopped moving to the upside? So many questions. Jeez Louise. Guys, when in doubt, zoom out. This is XRP on the weekly time frame. XRP rallied back to back for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks. 5 weeks of just green on green on green on green on green. This is the first red candle that we're seeing, and you know what? This candle hasn't even closed just yet. Pullbacks like this one should be expected in the middle of an uptrend. Trends don't move up in one straight line. No, it's an ebb and flow of price action. We see a series of higher highs and higher lows on the chart. This should be expected, not only expected. If you are an XRP bull, you want to see price go up even further, you should welcome pullbacks like this, because this is how a trend becomes sustainable. All right, sometimes you need that pullback in order for, well, momentum to then build up again. You need the bull to start picking up strength again. Because if it keeps going up rapidly, the bulls can get exhausted. Buyers can get exhausted on the trend. All right, so this should be a welcome pullback. For those of you wondering, Krisha, are we still looking at this massive symmetrical triangle and the target that only comes in at around $23? Are we still looking for this? The answer to your question is yes, we are. However, it's not going to get up there in one straight line, so forget about that. All right, for those of you who are sitting there just impatient for $23 per token, it's not going to happen overnight. That's not how trends move. Now, did we expect this pullback on XRP's chart? Yes, we did. I gave you guys two very, very important numbers. The first thing I gave you was the breakout price. Essentially, what price does XRP need to break out of for us to then look for the next move to the upside? I gave you guys that price on a platter, as well as the pullback price. Essentially, what is that price point that XRP can actually pull back to? Because it's in that pullback that we can find the next best bid opportunity on XRP. For those of you who missed the XRP trade, I presented this trade setup specifically for you guys, because this is one of those zones wherein it's easy for you to manage the trade. Now let's quickly rewind. Again, however, this is still a macro zone of resistance. As someone who's been riding XRP from 62 cents up a good 300%, I'm not going to botch that trade by jumping in on macro resistance. Absolutely not. So if you ask me, would I be adding to my position right here? The answer to that question is no. I personally would not be adding to my position right here. Now, right now, it appears that XRP wants to get up to 286. We start seeing multiple rejections at 286. That's when I'll be looking for a pullback opportunity. And there you have it, a clear rejection off of 286 to the decimal. I served it to you on a platter. I even went on to say that, hey, it's going to be painful while you watch prices pump, but it's going to be that much more painful when you're sitting through these pullbacks. So I say this, any bids that can be scored at the 12-hour dynamic support are going to be easy trades to manage. The current zone comes in from around $2.26, going all the way down to $2.13. For those of you who want access to the dynamic indicator, you'll find it on the mango.markets/dynamic. And I will be looking for a tap of that red box territory, which is technically also close to our $1 region, right? All right, let's pause. Now, this was the zone that we discussed. 286 was that breakout level. Essentially, I wanted to see candle closes over 286 before I then look for the next move to the upside. Did we even get daily closes over 286, let alone weekly closes? Nope. Not a single daily close over 286, and we still haven't gotten it just yet. Has that level changed as far as my breakout criteria is concerned? No, it hasn't. I will still be looking for price to live over 286 before I then look for the next move to the upside. For those of you feeling a little down and wondering, hey, can we even get that push past 286? Well, yesterday in the Mango Seed Mastermind call, I actually presented my entire altcoin thesis and why I am still bullish on the altcoins and why I believe the meat of many of these moves are still yet to come. That was some serious alpha dropped. So for those of you who are new to the Mango Seed program, but not yet in the Discord chat, please either message me or Sean and we will invite you into the private server. You do not want to miss these mastermind calls that happens once every week. The Bitcoin reversal was called there. The Bitcoin bull market targets was called there. The critical price point that Bitcoin had to take out for us to get up to all-time high was also called in the mastermind call. Now, once again, we have presented the altcoin thesis for this cycle as well in those mastermind calls. So if you are in the seed program, please reach out to us and we will invite you in. Now, I also gave you guys 201 as the bid opportunity. And why was 201 the bid opportunity? That's because 201, guys, was also the macro point of resistance resistance, now looking to be flipped into support. This was that zone, okay? This was the bull market of 2018. Where did we get rejected off of? $2.01. This was the bull market of 2021. Where did we get rejected off of? $2.01. This is the bull market of 2024. All right, where is price currently at? Well, we haven't really reclaimed $2.01. We're currently hovering within the range of 201 all the way up to 286, and catching any bid off of $2.01 would be a super easy trade to manage, because just in case these prices break, you know you're wrong on the trade, get out and reposition lower. All right, but you get to find out that you're wrong very, very fast. You also get to find out that you're right very, very fast. Consider all the people that actually jumped in on this wick right here, and they are already up a good 18% on that trade. Now, I am actually looking towards another tap of the zone and then perhaps a pickup right there. Now, just a quick reminder for those of you looking for a good exchange to trade XRP on, if you're looking to capture this next bid especially, check out the BitUnix exchange. There is no KYC and there is no country restriction. So irrespective of where you are, you can actually trade on that exchange. Now, if you use the link in the description below, I believe you can get up to 5.5K in deposit bonuses. You can use those bonuses towards your trades as well. What I'm looking at is a bullish pattern, okay, a falling wedge-like pattern, and a bounce off of our bid zone region once again will put in a W-like formation. So it's a pretty classic play wherein you have a falling channel, puts in another W or a inverted head and shoulders, and then that sees continuation to the upside. All right, but any bid that you can score on this bid zone here is going to be super easy to manage, because on the 12-hour time frame, if we go ahead and turn on the Mango dynamic indicator, that's where the initial bid zone was formed off of. We were looking at the bottom of the dynamic support, going all the way down to the historic 201 cent region. And if I zoom out of this chart, you can see just how well price has performed off of the 12-hour dynamic support. As soon as XRP started its trend right here at around 51 cents, not a single loss of 12-hour dynamic support. So this is where the current trend is prevailing, which is why I'm looking towards the 12-hour dynamic support as the best bid opportunity on the chart, along with the historic zone coming in at $2.01. So this right now is the bid opportunity, 220 going all the way down to 201. A break of this falling channel will take XRP up to 335, which would entail all-time high for XRP. Guys, all-time high, we're going to be approaching blue sky breakout, because the highest point that XRP ever got up to was in the cycle of 2018, where prices rallied up to $3.31. A breakout of this pattern would send XRP in an uncharted terrain, but hey, it's going to be a welcome change and a bullish one nonetheless. Now, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, smash the likes. I will now see you in the Discord chat. With this, trade safely, trade stress-free, trade the mango way, trade the easy way. Ciao, you guys.